Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and today I'm here with another Eid makeup look for this year. So this is basically a very colorful look, but still it is very easy to recreate. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this look, and if you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching.
First I'm going to start with moisturizing my face, and for that I'm taking the Revuele moisturizer. I did my brows off camera. And now for the eyeshadow base, I am using the Pro concealer in the shade yellow. And for this look, I am going to do my eye makeup first. And to lightly set that base, I am taking a translucent powder. Now I am going to take the Jaclyn Hint palette, and here I am taking a matte turquoise shadow and I am applying it all over my crease, all the way from my inner corner up to my outer corner. And to highlight my brow bones, I am taking the Kona by Farnaz highlighter in the shade Twinkling Star. Now to intensify my outer corners, I am taking a dark green eyeshadow from that same palette and I am applying it on the lower part of the crease. For the lid, I am taking a shimmery green shadow and I am packing it all over my eyelids. And I am layering a turquoise shimmery eyeshadow on top. Again, going back to that same green shade, I am intensifying the outer corners just a little bit more. For eyeliner, I am taking the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black. And for mascara, I am taking my Golden Rose Maxim mascara. Now let's start the face makeup. So first I am going to color correct, and for that I am taking the Pro concealer in the shade Orange and Kryolan Paint stick in the shade FS24. And with a sponge I am blending it out. For foundation, I mix two of them. One is Kona by Farnaz HD Waterproof Foundation and the Pro Coverage HD Foundation. First I am applying it all over my face and my neck with a brush, and then with the help of a beauty blender I am blending everything out. For concealing, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and the Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow. And with that same beauty blender, I am blending everything out. Now to set the entire base, I am taking the Rcma No Color Translucent Powder. And I am focusing this on the places where I applied the concealer. And for the rest of my face, I am taking the Kona by Farnaz Compact Powder. Here I am setting the rest of my face and dusting off the excess powder at the same time. For contouring, I am taking the Rimmel Kate Moss Contouring Kit. And I am contouring my cheekbones, jawline and the sides of my forehead. Here I am dusting off the excess powder from my under eyes. For eyelashes, I took the Ardell eyelashes in the style 250. And again I'm taking that same highlighter to highlight my inner corners. For the lower lash line, I did basically the same thing as I did on my crease. Here I'm doing a tiny inner corner wing to make my eyes look bigger. And for my waterline, I'm taking a nude eyeliner. For blush, I'm taking the City Color blush palette and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks. And now for my favorite part, the highlight. This is the Kona by Farnaz Twinkling Star highlighter. And I'm applying it all over my cheekbones, chin, cupid's bow, sides of my forehead and the bridge of my nose. And to set all of that makeup, I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus. This is gonna make my foundation look really glowy. For lipstick, I mixed two shades from Kona by Farnaz. One is Illusion and another is Caramel Cream.
And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!